Bull put spread strategy for Bank Nifty. The bull put spread strategy is a popular options trading strategy used by investors anticipating a moderate rise or stability in the price of the underlying asset, Bank Nifty. Here's how the bull put spread works using an example with the Bank Nifty index. Example of bull put spread on Bank Nifty. Let's assume the current Bank Nifty index level is 53,000 points. 1. Strategy components. Sell put option. Sell one lot, typically 15 contracts in Indian markets, of Bank Nifty put options with a strike price of 3,000. Buy put option. Buy one lot of Bank Nifty put options with a lower strike price, for example, 52,500. 2. Option premiums. Premium for selling 53,000 put. Let's say you receive a premium of 486 rupees and 50 paise per contract. Lot of 15 contracts would be 7,297 rupees and 50 paise. Premium for buying 52,500 put. Pay a premium. Let's assume 165 rupee per contract. Lot of 15 contracts would be 2,475 rupees. 3. Objectives. Profit potential. The maximum profit is limited to the net premium received from selling the put option minus the premium paid for buying the put. Risk management. The strategy caps your potential losses at the difference between the strike prices of the two put options minus the net premium received. How it works. Sell 53,000 put option. By selling the 53,000 strike put, you collect a premium because you believe Bank Nifty will not drop significantly below 53,000 by expiration. By 52,500 put option, simultaneously, you buy the 52,500 strike put as insurance against a larger than expected drop in Bank Nifty. Profit and loss scenarios. Maximum profit achieved when Bank Nifty closes above the strike price of the sold put, 53,000 in this example, at expiration. The maximum profit is the net premium received. Maximum profit is equal to net premium received is equal to 7,297.50 rupees to 2,475 rupees is equal to 4,822 rupees and 50 paise. Break-even point. The break-even point is the strike price of the sold put minus the net premium received. Break-even point is equal to strike price of sold put, net premium received is equal to 53,000, 4,822 rupees and 50 paise is equal to 52679. Maximum loss. If Bank Nifty falls below the strike price of the bought put, 52,500 in this example, losses are limited to the difference between the strike prices minus the net premium received. Maximum loss is equal to difference in strike prices net premium received is equal to 2822.50. Example of strategy as below. Thank you.